Did you know a keychain can also be a tiny lipstick holder? It's actually super convenient to carry every day. This cute little pouch comes with a bow and is perfect for your daily bag. If you already know the basic crochet stitches, this project is absolutely perfect for you. And honestly, it would be such a shame to miss this one. So grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's make it together. First, let's make the lipstick holder. Make a magic ring. Chain 1. Crochet 6 single crochet into the ring. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Round 2, chain 1. In the same stitch, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. This is called an increase. Make an increase in each remaining stitch around. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Round 3, chain 1. In the same stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 increase. Repeat this pattern around. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. We've finished crocheting the base of the pouch. Place your lipstick inside the pouch to check the size. If it fits like this, the base is perfect. If your lipstick is bigger, you may need to add more increases to the base. If you're not sure how to increase the stitches, leave a comment below and I'll show you how. Next, we will crochet the body of the lipstick holder, chain 1. Then make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I've finished round 4. Continue crocheting the next rounds the same as round 4. Keep going until the pouch is almost the same height as your lipstick. My lipstick is about 13 centimeters long, so I will crochet until the pouch reaches about 9 cm for me. That means crocheting up to round 24. I've finished crocheting up to round 24, and now cut the yarn. Switch to purple yarn. Chain 1, then make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Remember to crochet over the yarn tails to hide them. Round 26, we will make reverse single crochet. This means crocheting in the opposite direction from the normal single crochet. Watch how I do it, then follow the same steps. Now let's crochet the hanging strap. It's very simple. Chain 50. Next, slip stitch into the opposite side, and now we have a super simple lipstick holder, right? Use a yarn needle to sew and hide the yarn tails. Great! The lipstick holder is finished. Next, we'll crochet the bow. Now make a knot. Chain 63. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, pull up a slightly longer loop, then make a half double crochet. In the remaining chains, make one half double crochet in each stitch. When you reach the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Now work in the back loops only, making one half double crochet in each stitch across. Rows 2 to 4 are worked the same way. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail to shape the bow later. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail to shape the bow later. Now we will crochet the ribbon tail under the bow first, chain 50. Go back to the second chain from the hook and make a half double crochet. Then make one half double crochet in each stitch across to the end of the round. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Continue making half double crochet in each stitch across. Cut the yarn. Now let's assemble the bow. If you've made it this far with me, that's amazing. At this point, if you like, you can embroider a small pattern like this to make the lipstick holder more special. Do you like cute little lipstick holders like this? If you do, leave a comment below. I'd love to share more similar designs with you. Here comes the final step. Just attach the keychain ring and it's done. Thank you for crocheting this new project with me today. Happy crocheting, and see you next time.